So last time we talked about cleaning out our coffee equipment with Cafiza. Even though it says espresso machine cleaner, it's great for a lot of other things. The other thing that we want to clean out is our grinder, and the product for that is called Grindz, Grindz with a grind Z. It's also by Urnex. There's some stuff floating around the internet saying that you might want to put white rice in your grinder. Please don't do that. That's gonna just dull the burrs and do all sorts of bad things. Grindz cleaner is really super easy to use on my Barazza Virtuoso that I've got right here. I'm just gonna take about a capful of this stuff, maybe a little heaping capful, dump it in there, and run those through the grinder like that. And what it's doing is breaking down all the oils, cleaning out some of the stuff that might get stuck on the inside of your grinder as well. And then you've got that all cleaned out and ready to go. If you want to, after you're done with that, you might want to run just a little bit of coffee through there. This is a great place for that backup coffee that you got sitting in your freezer somewhere that you never use until you actually are desperate. This is a great place to use that coffee. That's as simple as it is, and once you're done, that's cleaned all the oils and all the other good stuff off of the burrs and everything else on your grinder. This stuff is basically, it's cereal and grains and some other pharmaceutical grade binders to hold everything together. So it's super easy to use. You don't have to worry about, if you get a little bit, it's granted not going to make great tasting coffee, but it's not going to make you sick or anything because it's basically cornflakes. And not really. No, I didn't say that. It's not cornflakes, but it's cereal and grains and some other binders that are in there. So you really don't have to worry about it if there's just a little bit of dust or something left in your coffee grinder. But that's another great cleaning tool that I use maybe once a month on my home grinder to make sure that that thing's nice and clean and I don't have any leftover junk in my grinder. So that's what we got today. Keep making coffee people love.